This shit looks sick, guys. Jay from Black Tracks over here. I think it's a TC Engineering cage. Yeah. Gotta love this shit. We got all the red S2000's over here, the silvers. Most of this is self-explanatory. I'm sure you guys can see that. We got the yellows. Anyways, guys, what's cracking? It's another year, S2KI Mega Meet. I came out here, drove the Soul, but I parked it way on the other side because I didn't want to interrupt anybody. But dude, it's a dope turnout, I'm not gonna lie. Sneak peek, ITBs, he closed the hood, I don't know why. Either way, guys, so let's take a little stroll. Let's take a little stroll to the S2KI meet over here, and then, yeah, see what we can get into. Guys, let's just give a shout out to how clean this CR is right here, right? So we got the CR. Obviously, we got the wheel set up on point. Even the wheel weights are clean. It's insanity. Does he drive the thing? It's amazing. Let's just give it a walk around, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you seen a cleaner S2000? I mean, like literally cleaner, you know what I mean? Like detailed, like it's pretty amazing. All right, back to the show, back to the show. Look at this kid.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? How's it going? It's tight, dude. It's tight. This is a dope ass color, I'm not gonna lie. I know we saw a little sneak peek of this earlier, but this is a sick color. Dope. I love all styles of S2000's, and one especially is just incredibly dumped S2000's. I'm not gonna lie. Desmond's, I'm just saying, guys, it looks fantastic. Everybody knows the S2000 is supposed to be like this super trackable car, and it is. It's probably the best track car ever. Changed my mind. But you see a dumped S2000 and you're just like, damn, that looks great too. But that's just the ricer in me. Speaking of ricers, we've got this guy right here. Let me get this guy right here. Look at that. Yeah, one of the biggest ricers in the Bay Area, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Yeah, right here. One of the biggest ricers in the Bay Area. Always. Yeah.
There for look.
It's just 2 tips. That's just, it's fine, bro.
It's just so I look legal.
It's just so. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm starting to really like a dumped S2000 look. I miss it. I miss it. I just like track stuff though, I'm not gonna lie. But I love the fact that you guys are doing it, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully if you get an S2000, you at least try and dump your car at least once, just so you know what it's like. It just looks great, I'm not gonna lie. Hate me if you want.
Somebody should film this.
Shit's super clean. Fucking super clean. This is actually the video, I think Skirl Weekly did the video on this. It's so dope.
Wait.
Oh, sorry, it's all good.
Those calipers were a rarity.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah. I saw the book on those.
I guess everyone's trying to hang out in the shade and stuff too. Yeah, man, these things are just tense.
In the potholes or the trees?
Yeah. This is a sick color too, guys. God damn. I like this color, I'm not gonna lie. Dope.
Yeah, because I remember you had that kid.
Yellow S2000s. I'm a fan. Definitely a fan. I'll say this, guys. This video is going to be kind of all over the place. Trying to edit this together might be kind of difficult, but for the most part, I'm probably just going to wander around. Because that's basically what I'm doing, hanging out with DJ, Anthony, and just checking out the cars here, you know. So I'm going to take a little walk around, see who else showed up, and then kind of go from there. You gotta check out this selection of cars. We got a clean ass EM1. I mean, you don't see these guys anymore. Look at this. Clean ass EM1. CTR, NSX, and then another NSX. Pretty sure all of you have seen this car 500 times already, but we're gonna look at it again. Yeah.
It always takes too long to walk over.
Alright guys, that's about it. About to just roll out. He's hopping in the NSX. We're gonna caravan slightly. I know Anthony's got the ruckus, so he's gonna basically hit that up. I'm gonna follow him in the Soul. Maybe get some sick rolling shots. Why not, right? But hope you guys enjoyed it. Tune into the recap. I don't know when you guys will see this. It'll probably be afterwards, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Lovely time with all you S2000 people. I'll catch you next year. Peace.